everybody. Nancy here from Fancy Nancy Diamond Painting with Bibi and Charlie. Charlie's off hiding, but Bibi is here enjoying a snack. Come on. Come here, sweetheart. Lay down. Good girl. She is a good girl. And she loves her snacks. I have a diamond painting unboxing. This is a very long one. It came in this big long box. Hope you want another piece? There you go, honey. Good girl. And it looks pretty squished, but I'm sure the diamond painting inside is fine. And that's what we have boxes for, right? They're like little shock absorbers, protecting our beautiful diamond paintings. Oh, this is big. How did I get that was so big? Here, let me get another treat for Bibi, because she's being a good girl. Aren't you always a good girl? My husband says when she's sleeping, she's a good girl when she's sleeping. Charlie doesn't like it when I tell Bibi she's a good girl, so I tell him, you're a good girl too, Charlie. Okay, that is a big box. So here's a toolkit. We've got some nice tweezers, a white boat with a funnel, wax bags, and a pink pen with a single placer and a 6-tip. Nice. Bibi, you want some more? There's a fly in here and she does not like flies. Come on, here. She thinks she should eat them all. She's really funny when we get the fly swatter out. And she hates the fly swatter. Hates it. Okay, this is my custom that I ordered from Stitchdiamond.com. You know, I only entrust the most special customs to them. And someone told me I could use their Dandelion photograph, and I overlaid a galaxy on the picture, and then it says make a wish. So there it is. I'll put the image up. I made this image from a photograph, and I learned a hard lesson, and that is that don't ask people if you can use their photographs unless they're really attached to them. There are 1,000 Dandelion stock photos out there, so I made some new images with a stock photo, but I'd already done this one. When talking in the group about it, because I had a number of designs and I wasn't sure which way to go, so I posted some pictures, and that was taken as if I had offered the image up to everybody in the group, which I hadn't. And I got accused of all sorts of things. This girl told her mother, who got all my siblings involved. There's the image. I think I said I was gonna put it up. If I haven't already, I'll do it again. But I do have short-term memory loss, so I forget what I've said a lot of the times. I really love this. It's a 60 by 60. I'm a little confused because if you look at the image I put up and then look at this thumbnail, it looks a little bit cut off. I don't know. And I went 60 by 60 to make sure that the words would come out okay and that the thin lines would come out okay. I've decided not to do this image. I'm going to send it to someone else in the group who said she wants to do it and let her have it. I just have so many negative feelings attached to this picture. I am not used to being treated as if I've done something criminal, considering how much I've done so far. I buy all these diamond paintings and share them with you and put my time into making the videos and all the graphics. And I do free giveaways. I've bought a couple $100 worth of diamond paintings to give away. And I do it because I love it and I love the people who love it. And we're all in it together, and I try to share as much as I can while I'm just, you know, this is what I have. I'm a disabled person, and I'm home alone with my two lovely little puppies, and now I have all of you wonderful people, and I love that. But the moment somebody accuses me of doing something dishonest or illegal or infringing their copyright laws, I'm done. That person is out of my life. And I love this image. Look at the size of it. I put some money into having this done. And I was going to do it for that person who let me borrow her photographs. But now, no, I don't want to see, you know, I love this image. Take a good look at it. It's very pretty. It's very pretty. Although the person said that I photoshopped it badly. I don't use Photoshop, dear. Don't talk bad about me. It just breaks my heart. So this one is going to get packed back up and sent out to a person from the Facebook group. Come join our Facebook group. You may win a diamond painting. You know, I give things away all the time. I want everyone to be having as much fun as I am. But as always, Stitchdiamond did a lovely job, and she was very good about informing me of what size I had to use to get all the detail. There's a lot of detail in this. Now let me pull back some of the paper so you can see. It's all cut nice, and I'm gonna be busy this weekend sending things out. I have this, I have pen to send out, I have my giveaway winner. Oh, that came out nice. I was really worried about the Make-A-Wish at the top, but it in this size, it came out fantastic. So, oops, I got it on BB. So here it is. Got some great detail. Just on a note on what I was saying before, you know, I don't want to be hard on anybody, but you should never assume what's in someone else's heart. I don't make any money from this. Some people have said, "Oh, you're going to be opening a store soon. You're going to be selling them." No, I'm not. I am not well enough to run a business, although I'm certainly qualified to run a business. I really have no interest in making money off of it. Someday I may monetize my YouTube videos, and that will be the extent of it. Because this is what I do, is I do unboxings and I make these videos, and I'm very happy. I love all the people that I've met, and if you're in the Facebook group, you'll see that I share images a lot, because if I think something would make a nice diamond painting, I will share that with you. These are not things that we are doing and taking to a craft fair and selling to make money. These are things that we do to keep us busy, to do something that we enjoy. It's very calming, like coloring. Cross stitchers do this a lot. I make certain diamond paintings to give to people because I know that it has a special meaning for them. Again, thank you for tuning in. I'm sorry about the rant today. This has just been weighing on my mind. I've got it all out now, and I can let it go. I put it out into the universe. Just like I'm going to put this diamond painting out into the universe. That being said, if you want help with layout or putting your pet's name on a picture or adding special effects or lightening a picture, please contact me. I'm happy to help. You know, I have a lot on my plate with these videos, but that's something I've always enjoyed doing. And I don't think it's fair for anyone to say that I photoshopped this badly. I took a long time working on it, and I really love the way it came out. It's going to look fantastic when it's done and framed and hanging on someone's wall. That's the end. I will get busy with more unboxings. There's more coming. And I hope you have a great day. Happy diamond painting. Bye-bye.